Day 2 of building Blokees action figures. So last time I built this Transformer called Soup, and I thought it was actually pretty cool. Okay, I'll choose this one. This is the Blokees Marvel Studios Infinity Saga. There's the Iron Man, Thor here. This is the most rare. It's 1 out of 36. Let's see who we got. And I'm gonna be careful opening this one so this doesn't happen to this again. Okay, let's start the build. So, box is in metallic red. Cool. The one bag. Instructions. And a stand. Hey, I hope I don't lose all the pieces again. Let's see who we got. We got Captain America. The shield. Okay. Well, now this is useless. Okay, let's see the first. Well, let's see the instructions. Captain America is here. Okay. I think they just show you how to make some of them. Then I guess we just have to figure out how to make these. So let's make his head first. Head done. So far it looks pretty good. The color is accurate. Yeah. Let's move on to the body. Body done. Now let's move on to the arms. Now we are done. Oh, my hands hurt so much. Well, the experience was pretty fun, though his legs are kind of skinny. We got this Captain America. It's 4 out of 36. It's the same rarity as last time, because if you multiply 1 by 4, it's 4, and then 9 by 4, it's 36. I think the experience was pretty fun, and sub for more.